In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a file in Zoho WordDrive. Downloading a file from Zoho WordDrive is a simple process, but it helps to see each step clearly so you know exactly what to expect. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through opening your WordDrive, finding the right section, selecting your file, and finally downloading it to your computer. First, open Zoho WordDrive in your web browser and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're in, look at the main navigation panel. You'll see different sections like Team Folders, Shared with Me, and others depending on your setup. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the area called My Folders. This is where your personal files and folders are stored, and it's usually the best place to start when you're downloading something you own or created yourself. Go ahead and click on My Folders. When you do, the main area of the screen will refresh and show you all the folders and files that belong to your personal space. Take a moment to locate the specific file you want to download. You might see documents, spreadsheets, presentations, or other file types, all listed as tiles or rows depending on your current view. Once you've found the file you need, move your cursor over it and click on the box or area of that file. This click is important because it selects the file and tells WordDrive which item you intend to work with. When a file is selected, you'll usually see it highlighted or checked, and additional options will appear, often at the top or along a toolbar. With the file now selected, look for the option labeled Download. This might appear as a button with the word Download, sometimes accompanied by a downward arrow icon. Click on Download to start the process. Your browser will either automatically save the file to your default Downloads folder, or it may ask you where you'd like to save it on your computer. Give the download a moment to complete, especially if the file is large. Once it's finished, you can open it from your Downloads folder or from whichever location you chose. And that's all there is to it. Open Zoho